In a recent development, former President Olusegun Obasanjo has revealed that he sacked his daughter from his establishment because she came late to work. He disclosed this while speaking to the new chairman, Board of Management of Federal Medical Center, Iyabo, in Abeokuta, Dr. Dayo Israel, on Sunday. Obasanjo stated that the action had an indescribable effect on all his employees. He urged the new leadership to brace up for the challenges ahead and be ready to step on toes if necessary for a successful tenure of office. He stated, "If you are doing a job and you're not stepping on toes, then you are not effective." Shortly after I left office as head of state, my first daughter, then at University of Ibadan, studying veterinary medicine, one day she resumed a 7:15 in the morning as against the usual 7 o'clock. I wonder, reminding her that she has an obligation to be a good example to other workers. I told her I won't hesitate to read the big steel should the same be repeated going forward. To my amazement, the following day, she was late to work again. I didn't hesitate to send her back right from the gate. Not surprisingly, this had an indescribable effect on all my employees, saying if Baba could do this to his daughter, who are we? We will continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.